I hate you too, lol. So I am going to press that tsunami button, so I will see what happens.
Get to the highest floor on your building. Minimum safe height is 50 stories. Repeat, do not panic. Get to the highest floor on your building.
Alright, how soon? How much time do we have? Anybody know?
I can't see anything. Can you?
I don't know, man.
They say it's coming from the south. Evacuate up to 3 miles from the coast. Breaking news: that was a big tsunami in Tiny Master City because he was 250 died people because big wave was crashed with the WTF boom at car because Thomas the train was died on the subway station at Kind Square. All gang people are died. Wait, I know it was Elinor. She pushed the tsunami button. If you watching this, you had to pay 120 fine or else we're going to have a Kind Master logic.
Elinor, why did you make push a tsunami? That's it, you're grounded for 657-838-82-8181 at 1991. No one years. That means I will make a remove it tsunami. Kinda master logic removed tsunami. Yes, the tsunami is gone. Let's go home right now. You're in big trouble. Elinor, we can believe you pressed the tsunami button. You are very lucky you're not in prison. That's it, you're even more grounded for 100 trillion years. That's it, go to your room right now, which means no McDonald's, no Burger King, no Applebee's, no Panera Bread, no Chuck E. Cheese's, and more for your punishment. You're going to watch Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, Tupi and Vinyl, Sesame Street, Phineas and Ferb, The Wiggles, The Chica Show, and Let's Go Luna for your punishment. They go to your punishment and go to your room right now.
What?
Attention.